today we are going to be doing a hands-on review of the vivo Y73. Let's go check it out. And here is the box. So we did actually do an in-depth unboxing experience of this phone, so if you guys want to check that out, there is an icon up here in which you can go to that video real quick, and then you can come back here and then we can talk about the phone more. There are some text on the box that says that the phone is a 7.38mm ultra slim anti-glare glass. I figured out now what aging means. A 64 megapixel night camera, a 33 watt flash charge, and an 8 gig RAM plus 4 gigs of extended RAM. So let's open this box up and see what's inside. Of course, we have a sleeve over here which contains a jelly case, and I presume all of the papers that we need and the warranty cards and a SIM ejector tool. And then we have a little compartment over here in which we can just open this right up. Ooh, we have the power brick and a USB Type-C cable and some wired earphones. So that is a nice addition. I am a person who prefers wired earphones more than wireless ones, mainly because I do not want to be thinking about if my earbuds are charged along with my cell phone, so that's a nice touch. Here we have the phone itself. So the phone actually does come in two colors. There is the diamond flare, and of course what we have here right now, the Roman black. You can have your SIM 1 as, of course, your main allocation of whatever SIM you have. And then you have the second SIM tray, which you can either put a second SIM or a nano SD card. The display actually is a AMOLED HDR10 with a 6.44 inches of screen size with an 83.5% screen to body ratio. The resolution of the phone is 1080 by 2400 pixels with a 20:9 ratio. It runs on Android 11 Fun Touch 11.1, and it runs on a MediaTek Helio G95 chipset with an octa-core CPU and a Mali G76 MC4 GPU. This phone has expandable storage of up until 1 terabyte with a nano SD card, but the phone itself has an internal storage of 128 gigabytes and then 8 gigs of RAM. On the back over here we have a 64 megapixel main camera, and then there is also 2 more cameras at the bottom of that, which is a 2 megapixel macro cam and another one that's a 2 megapixel depth cam or a bokeh camera. And there is also an LED flash if you want to take flash photography or if you want to shoot at night. The camera can take up to 4K resolution of video at 30 FPS and 1080p resolution video at 30 or 60 FPS. So let's move on to the front camera with this gorgeous teardrop design. It is a 16 megapixel wide camera, and it can take up to 1080p resolution video, also in 30 FPS. So it does have loudspeakers both at the top and at the bottom, along with a 3.5mm audio jack. So if you have noticed, there is this little thing at the bottom which is actually their fingerprint sensor, which is already mounted onto the screen itself. Let me see if I can unlock it for you guys. The phone actually runs on a 4000 milliampere battery, which runs for a long time, and of course it charges at a 33 watt flash charge, which they have said that can charge up until 61% in just 30 minutes. It actually retails for $13.99 SRP, so if you guys want to go avail yourself one right now, you should go do that. And again, that's it for the video. If you guys like this video, you can hit the like button down there. And if you guys want to see more, you can hit the subscribe button down there. If you want to be up to date to all of our uploads, just hit the bell and then just turn on our notifications. If you have any comments, suggestions, or anything that you want to say to us, there is the comment section down below, and that is very much free game. And again, I have been Ate Nikki, and thank you very much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!